Hello everyone! Today we will go over the top 5 ways to recover deleted files in Windows 10. Data lost is a nuisance to us, and sometimes even a disaster. Lucky there are several ways to recover the deleted files, so let's check out. Now let's start with method number 1. The simplest way to get your file back is by checking the recycle bin, especially if you have just deleted the file. So double-click the recycle bin icon to open it, and look through the files to locate the ones you need. The more effective way is to filter the files by date deleted or item type, then right-click on the file and select Restore. The file will be restored to its original location. You can also drag the file out of the recycle bin and it will be restored. That's pretty easy, right? Now let's move to method number 2. Restore deleted files from its previous version. To use this method, make sure to enable System Restore in Windows 10. Open the search bar, type Restore, and then open Create a Restore Point. Under the Protection Settings section, select the main system drive and click Configure. Then tick the Turn on System Protection option. Lastly, click Apply. After this, you're able to restore files or folders to their previous state. To do this, simply navigate to the folder where your data is deleted. Then right-click on the folder and select Restore Previous Versions. Now choose the version you would like to restore, and it's done. Another way you can recover deleted files is from File History, which is a built-in feature to create a backdrop to an external drive or network location. So if you're missing an important file or folder that you've backed up, here's how to get it back. First type Restore Files in the search bar. Then select Restore Your Files with File History. A new window will open up. Look for the file or folder you need. Then use the arrows to see all its versions. When you find the version you want, use Restore to save it to its original location. But if you didn't create a backup, also don't worry, as the next method can recover permanently deleted files even without backup. But before we introduce it, you may want to enable the Windows Backup feature for future use. Just go to the Start menu, then Settings. Now click Update and Security, find the Backup option, select Add a Drive, and then choose a location for your backups. Alright, the fourth method is to use a data recovery software. I would highly recommend this method if you didn't have a backup or prefer a higher chance of recovery. What we are looking for is something that's advanced enough to search for all deleted files and able to recover them. And for this purpose, we are going to use iMyFone AnyRecover. AnyRecover is an awesome software that recovers data lost in any situation and is able to recover from various storage devices like SD card, USB drive, and external hard drive. Currently, its Windows version is compatible with Windows 10, 8, 8.1, 7, and XP. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. First, download and launch AnyRecover software on your PC. I put the download link in the description box. You'll see a simple interface. Just select the location where your files were deleted and click the Start button. AnyRecover will start searching for deleted files. Once the scanning process is completed, you can check the different file categories to quickly look for your files. Locate the file you want and double-click it to preview, then click Recover and save it to a safe location. You see that? Only 3 steps and your deleted files are back. Now the last method is more complex than others, so I put this option last, which is using CMD to retrieve the deleted files. So type CMD in the search bar. Then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Then type this command and press Enter. Now what's really important here is to replace C with the letter of the particular drive you want to recover data from. In my case, I want to recover lost pictures from my USB drive, which is E drive in this computer, so I will use letter E. After the disk check is complete, type this command. Again, you may change letter C. and then you may see the recovered files on your drive. Alright, that's the 5 ways to recover permanently deleted files on your Windows 10 computer. Hope they're helpful to you. As usual, if you want to know other data recovery solutions, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.